welcome back to another episode from RONYA Space Program on Cambridge Educational TV channel. So in this episode, we're going to talk about types of stars, different types. So let's begin. And one of these are main squint stars. They are young stars and dwarfs, up to 20 times bigger than a sun and up to 20,000 times brighter. A sun is a dwarf star. Yellow dwarfs are small, mean squint stars. So a sun is a yellow dwarf. They're about between 0.84 to 1.50 times a mass of a sun. Yellow supergiants are rare. There are only 8 yellow supergiants discovered from Milky Way. They are so cute. I'm grateful for their rareness. The examples of yellow supergiants are Delta Cephie, Polaris, Sadalsuud and Sadalmalik, and the biggest yellow supergiant is HR 5171. Red dwarfs are very small but very common type of stars. So their temperature is so cool, it's about under 4,000 Kelvin. So an example as Proxima Centauri is the nearest star to the Earth. It's only about 4 light years away. So it's a red dwarf star. Red giants or red supergiants are relatively old stars. Oh, they're old. So the temperature is about 100 times bigger. Red giant stars are cool. The temperature is about under 3,500 Kelvin. So red. We talk about M-type stars that are coldest of a star. We know? So they're frequently orange in color. So example as Betelgeuse is a red supergiant star. It's about 20 times a mass of a sun and 4,000 times brighter than a sun. Betelgeuse is only 642.5 light years away. Its location from constellation Orion. So, and they're all others a red giant star, red supergiant stars. So, and others are UI Scuti and VY Canis Majoris, but the largest it's UI Scuti and Stephenson 2 and 18. Blue giants are very huge and very hot. So it's a post-main squint star that burns helium. It's too hot. So examples of blue supergiant stars is Rigel. It's also from constellation Orion. It's a 7th brightest star from night sky. Supergiant stars are largest known type of star. They're also largest. It's supergiant, their name. They are relatively old stars. So there's some are larger than a solar system. But examples of red supergiants are Betelgeuse and Rigel. So, and there are old stars also. There are rare supernova stars. They become black holes. White dwarfs are so small, too small, very small, too faint, very hot, dense star that made mostly of carbon. These faint stars are which remains after red giants lose their outer layers and their nuclear core depleted. They are also the same size of the Earth. They eventually lose their heat, become a dark, cool, black dwarf. Our sun in some days become a white dwarf and then dark black dwarf. And the combination of series B is a white dwarf. Brown dwarfs are stars whose mass is too small to have a nuclear fusion occurs at its core. brown dwarfs are not so luminous. It's not, you see in the sky, it's very faint. But brown dwarfs are a type of stars that appears to be coldest of its kinds. Only maybe temperatures under 2000 Kelvin, only from 1000 too cold. Neutron stars are very small, super dense stars which is composed of tiny pockets of neutrons. They have a hydrogen atmosphere. The atmosphere is too faint. Pulsars are rapidly spinning neutron stars that attempt energy impulse. One of the examples of pulsar star is the cute little small star. It's crab pulsar. It's a pulsar spinning neutrons. So, woo, I have a pulsar, but it's too small. It weighs about 10 kilometers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's smaller than the countries of our Earth, but it's too young. So its age is only 977 years. Double stars are two stars that appear to close one another in the sky. Some of the binaries of two stars that revolve around one another, others just appear together from the Earth because they are same line of sight. The examples of double stars are Mizar and Acrux. Binary stars are the system of two stars that rotate around a common center of a mass, about a half of all stars in group, and the least of two stars. The examples of binary stars, the Polaris, a pole star from the northern hemisphere, is a binary system. Eclipsing binary is a two stars that appear to be a single star of that bearing of brightness. With title to respect to us and its orbital plane viewed from its age. X-ray binary stars are special types of stars. So, and other objects as a white dwarf or black hole or neutron star. As a matter of stripped normal star, it falls into collapsed star producing X-rays. Cephie variables are variable stars that they are increase their size and the brightness are decreased. They are change their brightness. So examples of Cephie variable stars are Polaris and Delta Cephei. Mira variable stars are variable stars that brightness and size cycle over a very long time that a period in order of many months. Mira variables are named after a star Mira, Omicron Ceti, which is discovered from 1596. At the end, thanks for watching this episode from RONYA Space. It's all a type of stars. And I will see you next time for another episode. Have a good time.